Hi, this video will show you how to use trailing stop in Logix. So in order to show you how it works, we're gonna have to take a position here in something. So let's buy some cues. Market price, it doesn't really matter. So we'll buy it at whatever market price we have, 117.65. That's what I have. And so you can use trailing stop if you're in a winning position, if you're losing in position. What you need to do is basically tell the system when to stop you as far as how many pennies you want it to go from the price that is currently showing. Means if the bid now is at 117.65 and I want to be stopped out just 2 pennies from this price, so I will choose trailing stop and I will put 2 pennies. Notice you have to go 0.02. That's 2 pennies. If you go 0.2, that's 20 cents. So you have to really pay attention. So 117.65 is the current price here, and the traded stop is set to 2 cents. So now I'm going to sell it if it goes 2 pennies below 117.65. So my stop is in the system and it's at 117.64. So if we're going to hit 117.63, I'm going to be out. But if it moves higher, if it goes to 66 like it's doing here, or 67, 68, my stop will trail it. It will always be 2 pennies below the price here. Okay, below that trailing price, basically. So this is how trailing stop works. I'm just going to wait to see what happens here. Remember, we placed it at 117.63, okay? But if it goes higher, the stop moves with it. So now it shows 65, means our stop moved along 2 pennies. So now it's at 117.64. Even though you don't see it here, you don't see it changing, it does move, okay? So now it's at 66 or 67. Always my trading stop is trailed 2 pennies, as I instructed Logix to do, 2 pennies below the market price. Okay, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Is I really want it to go against me, and it doesn't. It goes my way. But I want you to see what happens when it goes against me just by 2 pennies. I will be out. So you can put any numbers. You can put $1. You can put 50 cents, 2 cents, 1 penny if you want. Okay, just when you do that, just make sure you put the right amount, 0.01 for 1 penny or 0.1 for 10 cents. Okay, so unfortunately, the position is going my way, which I didn't want it to do. But now notice the bid is at 68, so my stop is at 66. 66, it's moving along with it. Okay, so we have 68 by 69. Hopefully we get the market to come back by 2 pennies and get me. But it just it doesn't want to be the case. So just hanging in there. Remember, my stop is moved, so it was 68, now it's at 66, 65. That's when I should be out, and you should be, when you see it on the ask, that's where you will see me out of the trade. So what we need to see is 66 on the ask side. As I'm a seller in this position, I will sell it. Here we go. So now selling at 66 and I'm out of the position. I was a guaranteed loser of 2 pennies as per my trading stop. Hope that helps. Thanks for listening.